Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the beauty and power of the English language. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into a simple yet important word, benefit. A benefit is an advantage or good effect, something positive that comes as a result of an action or situation. For example, one benefit of learning English is being able to connect with people from all over the world. Let's talk about some synonyms for benefit. A great alternative is advantage. You might say, one advantage of living in the city is easy access to public transport. Another synonym is gain, as in, the company saw a gain in profits after launching the new product. We also have perk, which is more casual and often used in workplace settings, like, one perk of this job is flexible hours. These synonyms carry similar meanings and can be used to express the idea of receiving something positive. On the flip side, let's look at antonyms for benefit. A common opposite is disadvantage, which describes something that causes problems or makes a situation harder. For instance, one disadvantage of working late is missing family time. Another antonym is drawback, as in, the only drawback of this phone is its short battery life. Both of these words highlight challenges or negative effects. Now, let's explore how to use benefit in everyday conversations. You might hear someone say, one benefit of exercise is improved mental health. Or you could say, this program was created to benefit students with limited access to resources. In a workplace, you might mention, our company offers great benefits, including health insurance and paid vacations. The word benefit is also common in expressions like mutual benefit, meaning something that helps both parties involved, as in, this partnership is based on mutual benefit. Here are a few more examples of benefit in action. What are the benefits of joining this club? This policy is designed to benefit the environment. You'll benefit from reviewing your notes before the exam. These examples show how versatile and practical the word benefit can be in daily conversations. To wrap things up, we've learned that benefit refers to an advantage or good effect, and we've explored its synonyms like advantage, gain, and perk, as well as its antonyms like disadvantage and drawback. I encourage you to think about how you can use this word in your own conversations. Share a sentence using benefit in the comments. I'd love to see your creativity. Thank you for listening to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps more people discover the show. I'll see you next time with another fascinating word. Take care and keep learning.